with us to New York for 24 hours.
Go Spurs, go! Game 2 tonight.
Oh. Come with us. Come spend 24 hours. Let me look for that again. Come spend 24 hours with us in New York.
Very New York bed. What do you call it?
A Murphy bed?
Murphy bed.
Yeah.
Who the hell is Murphy? I've seen like 50 people wearing Knicks.
Babe, this is heavy. It's okay. Think about it like this. There's always next year. I'm sorry.
I feel myself. There's so many. Trying to have fun. Just get out of this nightmare. Tomorrow will
Tomorrow wake up new people.
Not everyone will, every single freaking person will have Knicks on. Maybe you get a tie. 20 minutes. We'll see about
It's not going to be
no.
Joe's pizza for the first time, even though I've been there before. I just haven't gotten any pizza myself. Yeah, I would say 10 out of 10. You know, it's what I'm looking for right now. It's something greasy, thin, the right texture and flavor combo. It's giving like pizza, like the Pringles flavored pizza flavored Pringles in pizza form.
So, good morning.
Good morning.
Wake up in the morning. Feeling like P. Diddy.
The United Nations.
Got my glasses for you in
Gotta
the city.
hit this city.
No, we in the city.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. We're in the United Nations. I don't want to go through security. It's too much. And they're worthless pieces of anyway.
Whoa.
You can't even stop any wars or arrest any international criminals. So what's the point?
It'd be so bomb. It's just me, Clara G, in the city.
Good news is, I have not seen a Knicks jersey yet.
Oh,
We're living.
we're on our way to breakfast.
Today's
At my
looking
favorite
so
place.
much better.
Next to Bryant Park.
World famous library or Zara? Oh shit.
That was your karma right there.
Okay,
Leave
pick.
that in the video.
Pick.
No, they're both great.
Oh, okay. I'd pick Zara. Would you say this is your favorite breakfast spot in all of New York?
So far that I know of, yes, because they have like just amazing cappuccinos and pastries, really cute like bread display in the front. It's very cozy. Everything is like made of like mahogany. It's just a vibe. It feels like you're eating in like Harry Potter's closet in a good way. Ooh, ASMR. Wow.
Dang.
Day later. So cool.
Whoa. Still going. The line curved around the building. How is there that much products in stores?
I don't know.
Just two artists in Texas in the SOHO.
I loved it in there. That store was so cute.
Looks like AI generated now because it just stole it probably from the artist. Yeah.
Did it all herself. Oh, so she did it all on her own.
What'd you say?
She did it all on her own. I feel like that'd be awesome for doing mushrooms.
Oh my god, I want everything in here. Look at this.
Really good matchup.
Cheers. Well, the engagement party's over. Now we're walking to the rooftop. It's my first New York rooftop party. Yeah.
I've never been to Brooklyn and this is really fun.
Can you dance to my video? Yeah. Oh!
This is my best friend. You'll never find a best friend than her. Me. Her. Not you. And not you. Not you. Mikayla's mine. You heard.
And it's about to rain in the city.
I just saw some lightning.
The amount of booze I had for taking my Spurs jersey out was crazy.
As expected.
As expected, but you know what? We gotta stand on business. The storm is coming.
She's on her way out.
She takes forever.
It's old. This shit is ancient.
GoPro meets camcorder. Hey. Do a weather report.
We're going to Jordan and Jack. We know. Oh. Okay, the lovely couple told me to come yell at people.
Yeah, Maya, you can.
We're gonna wait a second.
Oh,
We're gonna let the people roll out.
I got it. I got it. Wait, one second, bro.
Happy engagement to Mikayla. Happy engagement, Chris Mikayla. Love you. Okay, I hate that.
I need to change.
Oh my gosh.
No, you don't need to change.
I'm wet.
Okay, how do I turn this off? Do you know what Carlos's bakery is? You can't watch that.
Hoboken, splitting the G. Damn.
I'm not gonna lie. These tacos honey slides.
United is a brand.
Bland.
Brand.
A brand that is bland.
Goodbye.